Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, or a good wherever you are. This is JP here with Learn Brizy, our WordPress edition. In the latest update, Brizy 2.4, we have a lot of new features, and a lot of them makes life and working with Brizy much easier. A feature that is spanning across about 8 different elements is the reorder feature. Very welcome, and you're going to find that you'll be using this quite a lot. This includes columns, tabs, slider, form, accordion, timeline, gallery, and playlist. Let's have a quick look at how this works and where you can access this feature within Brizy. A quick note, you may not be aware, but I have a dedicated channel just for Brizy Cloud. I split the two products a while ago, this channel being dedicated to WordPress and this other one to Brizy Cloud. If you're a Brizy Cloud user instead and you want to see how you can work with Brizy Cloud and learn Brizy Cloud, there is a link in the description below. Let's get back to the reorder. Reordering is actually super easy. Here we have a form and any of the fields can be reordered to a different position within the form. If I click on the field, you will see here in the options toolbar these two arrows, up and down. Down means it's going to move one down. If I want to make the message at the top, move it up, and as simple as that. Next up, we have tabs. If I want tab 2 at the beginning, select the tab, again from the toolbar. This time we'll get the left and right arrows. Very easy, move it to the right, tab 2 on the right now, and then click to move it to the beginning of the tabs. Accordion, same feature. Let's take accordion 1 here. Select it, you see the up and down arrows. You can cycle through that, place it in the new position where you want it to be. Previously, you had to recreate it, duplicate it, delete it. It was really bothersome when you've already created a full accordion and suddenly realizing you have to move one of them. Gallery for the pro users, if you have an image that you want in a different position, let's click on this image and you will see you have the arrows to the left. And of course, like I said, you can move it down the line as well. Timeline, let's take this image and put it to the top. Click on the icon, your arrows appear again, and you simply move it to the top. Video and audio playlist, select it, same thing, move it down, video 1 at the bottom. Probably one of the biggest features in the reorder that you'll be using in the future is the column reorder. 3 columns here, I want feature 1 in the middle, select the column settings, and you have your reorder options again. And the last one is block sliders. This also very nifty for people who have a lot of blocks. You add one and you want it in a different position. I've got 3 slides here. I changed it out a little bit with the colors in the back. This slide is currently my second slide in this sequence, as you can see with this little dot that is highlighted. I want it to be the last one. With the slide on the screen, go to the block settings and you'll see the reorder here and I move it down the line. If I go to the 3rd dot, you're going to see the slide is over here. Excellent. Thanks Brizy for this update. Keep it coming. My little feature request would be when it comes to columns, especially when we are talking about responsiveness, is whether I can change the columns in responsive view to a different order, which I cannot. That would be a super feature. I mean, super power feature if we could have that reorder function in different responsive displays. From me, JP, go well and stay safe.